The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a compact and discreet dash camera that offers impressive video quality and a wide 180 degrees field of view, capturing more of the road than many competitors. Recording in sharp 1440p resolution with HDR, it delivers clear footage both day and night, though the ultra-wide lens can sometimes cause distortion around the edges. One of its standout features is hands-free voice control, allowing drivers to save videos, take photos, or mute audio with simple commands. It also includes driver assistance features like lane departure alerts, forward collision warnings, and traffic movement notifications, adding extra safety on the road. The Dashcam pairs with the Garmin Drive app for viewing and storing clips, with automatic uploads to Garmin's cloud-based vault, though free storage is limited to 24 hours without a subscription. Its parking guard and live view features are useful for security but require hardwiring and a stable Wi-Fi connection. While users praise its design, video clarity, and ease of installation, some report frustrations with app connectivity, short battery life, and file management. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam 67W is a well-designed, feature-rich option for drivers seeking wide coverage and smart safety features, but it works best when paired with reliable power and connectivity.